Introducing Letmil, letter milling machine for granite and marble from Mertel's Electronics. Letmil milling machines represent specialized equipment designed for the rapid engraving of text onto stone surfaces. These versatile milling machines excel at inscribing text onto granite and marble slabs. By harnessing the power of the latest Letmil milling machines, you can effortlessly carve deep textured characters in any font onto memorial stones with remarkable speed. The exceptional speed of text engraving on stone is achieved through a harmonious blend of cutting-edge technical innovations and engineering solutions. Among these innovations are a tablet-style machine design, a robust steel frame, precise ball screw transmissions across all axes, a surface scanner, and a high-speed spindle. Let's take a closer look at the distinctive features of Letmil milling machines. To ensure precision in text milling with the utmost accuracy, the machine frame is crafted from high-strength steel. This structural choice not only enables high-speed milling, but also prolongs the lifespan of the cutting tool. For convenient loading of the stone into the processing area, the machine's design is implemented in a tablet-style configuration with a raised and arched frame. Highly accurate ball screw transmissions are strategically positioned along all axes, enabling the application of text with the highest resolution. The Z-axis travel distance of 80 millimeters allows for the creation of not just inscriptions, but also intricate reliefs, decorative elements, and ornate patterns on stone surfaces. Engraving inscriptions on various stone slabs, even those with uneven surface, is made possible thanks to the inclusion of a surface scanner seamlessly integrated into the machine's control system. Machines within the series are equipped with the cutting-edge MTG CAM control system. This system enables visual monitoring of the process on the computer display and allows for autonomous operation when the USB cable is disconnected. For optimal performance, it is recommended to set up the Letmil machine on a surface that facilitates the circular collection of water for tool cooling. The collected water is directed to a small tank, from which a mini pump circulates it back to the cutting tool. The process of carving text using the Letmil milling machine is as follows. Begin by preparing the text on the computer. Then, once the stone is in place, start the surface scanning process. After the scanning is complete, start the milling process. To achieve elegant, finely detailed V-sunk text, a polycrystalline milling head is employed. Alternatively, different milling head geometries can be used to create U-shaped, L-shaped, or radial text. Another remarkable feature of the Letmil machine is its automatic drilling of coordinate holes, enabling the precise placement of bronze or steel letters from any manufacturer. After inputting the text into the program that generates coordinate data, the machine drills these holes into granite and marble. For those interested in acquiring this remarkable equipment, Mertel's offers Letmil machines with working areas of 60 by 60 centimeters and 60 by 120 centimeters, allowing you to choose the most suitable option. Letmil milling machine includes comprehensive instructional material to allow you to learn the process, practice, and begin working. In summary, Letmil stone milling machines represent the ultimate solution for swiftly engraving deep, intricate inscriptions onto stone surfaces.